Welcome students. This is Social Science class 8th standard Political Science chapter 1 Meaning and Importance of Political Science. So in the first chapter there are 4 important points you have to study about this lesson. First one, the concept of political science. Second point, the process of development in political science. Third one, the political thinkers and their contributions. Fourth one, the importance of political science. Let us start discussing about the concept of political science today. Political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man. Second one, political science also deals with the state and government. It studies the origin and nature of state, and political science is also one form of political institutions, deals with the political informations. The study of state is the main subject matter of political science, and we have to study political science, and this study of political science began by the Greeks. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. So Greeks were the great important informations passed about political science. Greek philosophers, first famous philosopher by name known as Socrates. So he has given a great contribution for the growth of political science. His disciple is Plato. Plato wrote a famous book known as Republic about political science. So in that Republic, Plato has discussed the nature and functions of state and government. The next famous Greek philosopher by name known as Aristotle. The ancient Greek thinker Aristotle. He is a student of Plato and he is called as the father of political science, and he has written the first treatise in political science known as the Polity. The famous book, he discussed all the origin, development and functions of the state in the book called as the Polity. So he is called as the father of political science, that is Aristotle. Among the Indian political thinkers are concerned, Kautilya is a famous important economist, and he is the author of Arthashastra. In that book he gives more informations about political principles. So he was adored in the court of Chandragupta Maurya period. Like this, Greeks use politics for the study of state, and they also says that politics derived from the Greek word known as polis, which means city state. Like this, political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, rights and duties of the citizens. So according to modern political thinkers, says the political science in this way. Like this, political science is the study of the past. Political science is a study of the present, and it also studies about the future of political institutions and political functions and political theories. So whatever political functions are going on, whatever the policies they are following in their political institutions, so all we can know once we study political science. So finally we can give a conclusion that political science is a study of state, study of government and human political activities is called as political science. So this is the meaning of political science. Once again repeat, the study of state, government and human political activities is called as political science. Political science gives the information about government. Political science is also helps us to get the ideas about monarchy, freedom, equality, and with the help of political science we can know the constitutional work and the important laws. Then fourth one, with the help of political science we can know the organs of government. There are 3 important organs are there for the improvement of the function of the administration. 1. Legislature, 2. Executive, 3. Judiciary. So legislature prepares the laws, executive execute the laws made by the legislature, judiciary will solve the disputes whatever it arises in the country. Political science helps our leaders also to raise the good leadership qualities for the improvement of the country. Sixth one, political science also helps us to attain the knowledge of international relations, whatever the important problems when it comes between one country over another country, and we can solve that problem with the help of political science, especially the occurrence of wars among nations. Seventh one, importance of peace and cooperation purpose between one country to another, between state to state. We have to attain the knowledge of political science. Like this, political science helps the people to become good, responsible, active citizens. So please remember all these points and you also get the knowledge of political science, and definitely we can establish peaceful and a happy state. So today we have discussed about the importance of political science and how it is essential for the improvement of our country. Therefore, you have to study political science. So these are the important information you have to know about political science. Thank you, children.